I may cuss, but I don't curse. Let's get that situated first. Capricorns, what up, goats? Back with another one for y'all, for us. Because everybody got Capricorn in the chart somewhere. Let's keep it a bean. And the zodiac dial too. So anyway, 3 card draw ain't gonna hold you too long. Ayo, pause. It's crazy work. But I'm not. And the cards are already out here. They're not being bamboozle you. We got the Moon card followed by the Ace of Wands followed by the 3 of Cups that's in reverse. Now peep game, right? I strongly feel like I'm reading for women right now. I'm not biasing this. I'm intuitively led to tell you this. I'm also seeing the images on the cards, which is also guiding me to say that. However, you know how the rules go. If you need to switch to gender because it better fits the storyline, of course, do so. If it doesn't apply, though, let it fly. It ain't your reading. Don't force it. Hey, yo, it's crazy work. But don't. You know what I'm saying? Now, what I see here is, this is what's happening right now. There's a want for going after your dreams. So let's call dreams in this reading the things that you imagine to do, aspire to be, things of that nature that you have not achieved yet. For whatever reason. I'm not trying to get all personal and in your business right now of why you haven't done so. But your intuition is leading you towards that. And in order to do this, you're going to have to begin anew. You're going to have to start anew. So I don't know if it's a new, it could be a new location, a new locality, because I do see travel here. So if it's not a new location that you're residing in, it's going to be a new location. Someone's name is Lou. You might be going to see Lou. Lululemon, the store, you're going to shop there. I don't know, but listen, maybe you just got finished shopping there. But there's travel involved. There could be travel involved to where you might just go visit a city or a state to meet someone. And this is where I feel where this man is at. You're going to meet a man. This man is not, I guess you could call typical man. There's so much stigma on men right now. Let me explain. This man is not the typical going to the bar looking for the lady so he could go home and boink something that night. You understand what I'm saying? This is not your man cave brute asshole type of guy either. This is not the one-liner, one-nighters. This is not that guy. This guy is something different. Maybe you want to call him an enigma. I personally believe that more men like this exist than don't, but leave it to social media is a different story. But this man that you're going to meet, these are the types of qualities that are actually attracting you to that man. Now, don't let me misquote this man either by saying he's not like active or he's not attractive. Bars are nice. We know that already. Or that he doesn't have it going on in some type of way. If he doesn't have a girl, he might have a girl. He might have plural girls. You understand what I'm saying? I'm not saying he's not a fucking heartthrob. I'm not saying that, you know what I mean? Because I don't want it to be misconstrued here like this guy's a lame, like he's a super lame. It's not that. It's just this guy has the type of strength that helps build careers. It built their career, consequently it helps to build other people's careers. This is what really makes that man a magnet, and this is someone that you are attracted to. Is it some type of sexual primal thing? Could be. I see that here. I could see that. However, it's more about the strength of the man that is you're not finding wherever you're at now. And the reason you feel that way is because you're not achieving your goals. Not your goals, like your goals could be like regular tasks in your day-to-day basis, right? Day-to-day living. Will you have enough to get this done and get that done? That's not what we're talking about here. Again, we're talking about things or something that you aspire to be. Like you could be more. In your eyes, you could be more. And you could either be a movie star or you could be someone working in education. It just, is it aligning with your dreams, what you're doing right now? I don't see that. I see that it's not. And you're like being cold. It's like your heart is being, it's like the call is loud, B. It's loud to the point where it has you like sighing. I hear sigh. Like, to the point where you're like taking walks at night. Some of y'all are taking walks at night, putting on your little hoodie and stuff like that, because that's the closest you felt to adventure in a while. And you're just like, yo, I need a break. I need a break, like a breakthrough. Not like a break from, this shit is tiring. Just like, I need a breakthrough. I need something that's going to make me feel alive. Something that's going to make me want to have fun in the sun. Have fun in the sun. And I feel like this guy is the sun. That's what's attracting to you, the light. Now, you don't mind being in the moonlight. That's not. This is why I'm saying I'm strongly feeling like I'm reading for women right now. Guys, just bear with me. You know what I'm saying? You got 2 moons inside of these 2 cards out here, or 2 of these cards. And, you know, this is all wrapped around you needing to aspire to go after your dreams. What you've imagined for years. Your imagination, let it run wild and go after those things. I feel like you can't do it in the situation that you're in right now. I'm just keeping it a bean. Ladies, I'm just keeping it a bean. I ain't trying to break up no happy homes or none of that shit. Pardon. You know? Now, this is the expected outcome should you choose to go on this path. The expected outcome is people going to be hating on you. I'm just keeping it a bean with you. You know what I'm saying? Or should I put it? I'm going to put it like this. The people that you would usually go toast and celebrate with about any other thing that you achieve, like your day-to-day goals, or I made it through the week, let's go have a drink, bitches. Like, those people are going to start turning sour on you. They're not going to be your everyday ride or die Thelma and Louise. They're not Thelma and Louise in it with you. Or they're not the Louise to your Thelma. You're not the Thelma to their Louise. You understand what I'm saying? Like, these chicks is bugging. Like, they in arms with each other. Like, it's a fucking alliance that does not want to celebrate your aspirations. They're going to be like, don't go on that trip. They're going to be like, oh, who's that? Do so-and-so know? Do your man know? You know what I'm saying? Like, what's it? That seems awkward to me. That seems weird. You know, Jezebel hooker bitch. You know what I'm saying? Like, I'm telling you. You know what I'm saying? And they're going to sound like, you know, that's how y'all talk, but they ain't playing. Like, they mean that shit. This could be your family as well if it ain't your friends. If you ain't got friends like that, it's going to be your family. It's going to be one or the other. They're going to feel like they're losing something too, which is going to be you. But they're going to be losing you to the growth, the shedding of you, the new, because I hear shedding. I see shedding. I see the snake hair, and it's like a new skin. You're putting on a new skin, and you're going to the top. You're growing. This man or that man is going to help you grow. What do you want me to do? Maybe it's just a mentor, a psychologist or something that you're going to see. What do you want me to do with that? Look, channeling the message and I'm giving you the information. It's up to you to do what you do. Till next time, I'm out of here.